Hi, this is Sabi.
And I'm Wendy.
And in this video we're going to be talking about duck eggs. This is actually going to be one of a few videos we make about duck eggs. And the topic for this video is about cooking and eating eggs.
Yeah. We're here in our kitchen / dining area. And we have a few, well, a little over a dozen eggs here. One of these cartons I've modified because the eggs are bigger.
They don't close quite all the way.
But we don't have any chicken eggs right now, and here is one of our eggs.
We've been eating chicken eggs most of our lives. We had duck eggs a few times before getting chicken eggs just to make sure we liked them. But now we've had more than 100 duck eggs that we've eaten between the two of us, as our ducks have been laying eggs over the past few months. As you may have guessed by the title of this video, one of the common questions we get is, what do duck eggs taste like? And what I like to say is that duck eggs taste a lot like chicken eggs. Especially if you haven't had chicken eggs very much, just every once in a while, you might not even tell the difference. But if you have chicken eggs every day, then you'll probably taste a little bit of difference. So we'll talk about that now.
Yeah, I've noticed a difference, but it's really not that substantial. I mean, the egg whites of the duck eggs are more, some people would call them a little bit more chewy or a little bit more thick. You can tell when the yolk is raw and you're just cracking the egg that the duck egg white sticks more to whatever it touches, whereas the chicken egg white, it's a little bit more runny and watery.
I like the richness of the yolk from the duck eggs, which is a little bit larger and has a more complex flavor to it, in my opinion, now that I've had it more often. And the egg white from the duck eggs is a little bit smaller, which I think I liked chicken egg whites before, but you know, in retrospect, maybe I always kind of thought they had a little bit of a foul taste.
Wah wah.
The taste of duck eggs probably varies by the breed of the duck, as they do with the breed of the chicken eggs, by what you feed the ducks or chickens. So there's a lot of things that can impact the taste. So I've heard from some people that maybe they've tried a duck egg and they didn't like it, but it might have just been that duck egg. You know, don't give up on it if you've only tried one. We've also heard from people that if you have an allergy to chicken eggs, you can still have duck eggs, and vice versa. So that's nice to be able to have those options.
Yeah, the nutrient makeup of duck eggs is different than chicken eggs. Like, I have to eat more high iron foods, and duck eggs are better for me because they have more iron than a chicken egg, and I also don't eat as much meat as probably most people do, so I like duck eggs because I can get more protein from them.
One more thing about the duck eggs is that they're actually harder to crack. They have a thicker shell than the chicken eggs do.
Yeah, they're harder to crack, they are larger, and the egg yolk, I think, is a lot richer and creamier than a chicken egg. I find the chicken egg, if you hard boil a chicken egg, it's kind of powdery and dry. And if you hard boil a duck egg, it's a little bit creamier, and it's just more delicious.
Yeah, I haven't had too much chance to see people crack their first duck egg, but I imagine it'll be fun to try to see everyone miss cracking it open the first time they try, because it really is a little bit tougher.
It is, yeah. But duck eggs are better also because of maybe because of the yolk, or maybe because of the white, I don't know. But they're better for baking. They are known as the baker's secret, and they're supposedly associated with fluffier pastries and other baked goods.
That's right, the baker's secret. Or we'll see you in the next video.